How to delete items on Google Collection. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can delete items from Google Collection. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Google in your device and make sure that you're signed in with your preferred account or your account where you have saved the collection. From here, navigate to bottom right, tap on Activity. Under Activity, scroll down and here you will find your collections. Tap on Collections. Under Collections, you will find all of the items that you have saved into its different category. From there, you have to select the collections that you want to delete. Tap on it. Now you land on this interface. From here, you have to select the item that you would like to delete. Next to that, there is three dot icon. Tap on it. After that, a menu will pop up. From there, tap on Remove, and with that, the item will be deleted. So that's how you can delete items from Google Collections, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.